So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. It's Sunday, the first Sunday in February. Lord, the first Sunday in June, excuse me. I don't know where I got February from, y'all. But I am here designing, and I wanted to show you guys what I decided to do with these pajamas. So you guys, I had two. Well, I have more than two, but I decided I was only going to do 4 pajamas. I'm doing 2 of the long pants, these right here, and I'm doing 2 of the shorts, which is these right here. I do have a couple more of the shorts, but I'm not going to design them. I'm only going to do 4. I did not buy any this year during the clearance. Everybody was going out looking. Y'all, I had these left over from last year because I had gotten several of the pajama sets from last year and I didn't use them. So I had some left over. So that's the reason why I actually didn't even go out to Family Dollar looking for these, because I knew I already had some in my stockpile that I had not used yet. So I'm going ahead and using them. I'm doing 4, like I said, concepts, because I'm trying to do multiple for Father's Day, but I'm trying not to do too much. Just because I told you guys I was only going to try to do about 60 or so baskets. So that's why I'm doing 4. So I'm going to save the other ones for Christmas, Valentine's Day, next Father's Day, whatever. So anyway, I wanted to show you how I'm presenting my pajamas and what I'm using. So of course I'm using this shirt box, you guys, that we have gotten from Dollar Tree. I didn't get any after Christmas, so I'm using the ones that that I got from Dollar Tree. I got several of them to do my t-shirts as well as these pajama sets and robes and different things. So I'm just gonna wrap these pajamas around the box like this. And then I purchased some of this. This is elastic string that I got from Temu. I ordered black and white of this so that I could use for this purpose, because I think I told you guys that with the slippers that we got from the Dollar Tree, some of them had these for Mother's Day, and they worked so well for me when I was wrapping those short sets around the boxes. I decided to go ahead and buy me some string that was similar to that to do, to go work going forward. So I got white and black, but I'm gonna use the black one today, and I'm gonna just cut me a piece off, and I'm going to use it to wrap around my box. And I'm just gonna tie it. Come here, string. It's easier for me than the fish line, and it helps me to get it tighter because it is elastic, so I can tie it tight and and make it pull and stay. So that's why I use this instead of the fish line, because sometimes I can't always get the fish line as tight as I'd like for it to have it. So there you have it. I've tied my pajamas around that, and then I'm going to get my shirt, and I'm going to kind of do it like LBE did on her video where she draped the shirt across the box. I did like that. I tried both ways, but I did like this better. So I did go ahead and I am going to do it like that to get my shirt on the box. So I'm getting my shirt on here, pulling it down, and then pulling it back up and taping it in place. Now, hold on. And this is an extra large. So I'm doing actually 3. I only had 1 extra large pajama set. So I'm actually doing, hold on, y'all, I got to get my tape from back here. Okay. Now, let's go back. I had to get my tape, y'all. So So I am going to, I'm doing 3 large, and this one is the only extra large because this was the only extra large that I had. So I'm doing this one. I'm gonna tape that right there, and then I'm going to fold my shirt, try to get it straight. I want to make sure that it's straight, and then
I'm gonna fold it. Fold it down like that. Pull this back. Just making sure that it's gonna be smooth on the front is basically what we're trying to do. Make sure that it's smooth on the front side. And I may use a bit of a strong piece. That's not sticking like I want it to. And then I'm gonna fold this up. I'm gonna check the front and make sure that it's as smooth as I want it to be. Pull it, you guys. And then
on the other ones, I had some of the little pieces, the little stickers that they had that were the large stickers. I used that, and I have one left. Let me use that. No, I'm not going to do that because it's not large. I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to just use just a piece of tape and tape it up the middle because I don't have the stickers. But these were the stickers that I had that I used those to tape the back with that because it had the large on there. But I don't want to do that because you will be able to see the back because as you can see, I have this in here, but I'm going to take that out. That's not going to stay. So I don't want to confuse people with that large sticker. So this is the back of it. And hold on, I'm going to pull this like that. I'm going to get a piece of the strong tape and tape it like that. Okay. All right. And so I'm using, I had the small, these right here. I had 2, I went in my attic. I had 2 gray ones. I had 1 blue one and 1 black one. So basically, y'all, I'm just going to use what I have. I'm not going to go out and buy any more. So I am going to use the gray for this one. And then, like I said, I had, hold on, y'all. I got to get something to put behind it because they're not going to hold up by themselves. This is top heavy right now, so let me get something to brace this and I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, so I have something to prop it up, some lotion. So this is what I'm gonna do. So this is the extra large, and I'm placing the tag so it'll be able to be seen. So y'all, I have these slippers here. I'm gonna pull these out of here because these slippers right here are a size 12. So I decided I was going to pull those slippers out of there and put those in this extra large because these are the only 12s that I have. And I already made the tag for it because I knew I was going to do that. And then I'm going to do the Dove. I'm just going to take everything out of here, and everything that was over there is going to come over here. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the stuff that was in that one there. All of this Dove Minions stuff right here, this came from Walgreens, doing some of my couponing hauls and stuff like that. The Dove body wash, that is. Of course, the Dove cream. I think I actually got it from Walgreens last year. Walgreens last year had their Dove cream for $1, but they have since gone up to $1.25 like Dollar Tree. But I got it, I think, last year because I haven't bought any of this year. I used the Dove deodorant, and I used one of these men colognes, the little mini cologne sets that I got from Rainbow. So for this one right here, I'm gonna move this over. So this one right here, what I decided to do with this one, since it's in a black container, I decided that I was going to use these black slippers right here. So to go along with that black in the container, even though the pants are blue, I'm going to use the black slippers because they do have some black in the pants. So I'm going to use that. And I'm also going to use, I have some more Dove body wash. As you can see, I have my $2 sticker I try to label some of my stuff when I know I got it on discount, just so I remember what I paid for it. So I'm gonna put that there. And I do have some different colors, but I wanted to use that color. Let me see if I can get it to go, y'all. These shoes are kind of bulky. We may have to do something else. This don't want to go in here. Let's see. Let's see. I don't like that. Okay, we're gonna have to do something else with that one because I don't like that one. So anyway, that's the way this one is gonna be. So I'm done with that one. That one's done and complete. I have this one right here that I'm going to work with. I've already wrapped the shirt for this one, you guys, and it's gonna be this gray right here that's in the you know what? I should, because these pants shorts here are black. I think I'm going to switch. I think I'm going to switch and put that there, y'all. Because this is actually black. So it's gray and black. It'll go flow perfectly. So I'm going to switch that there and put that there. And that'll go perfectly with these slippers. So let's do that. We're going to do that. We're going to put that there. And then we're going to put this, y'all, I'm having to use cups and everything to be my backers. As you guys can see. So I'm going to put this right here. No, I think I'm going to use the Nivea here. For my body wash. And then I have these slippers here, which are some blue slippers, and I need to stuff them. I'm gonna take the little tag, the little thing that's holding them together. I'm gonna take that out. Let me get some of the stuffing. Wrong side. Here. Okay. And then I'm going to get another one of the Nivea creams. I'm going to put this one right here. And then I'm going to put a Nivea cream in here, you guys. And I think I'm going to do... I don't know if I want to do deodorant or if I want to do another one of the shaving creams. Let's see. Okay, you guys, I decided I was going to use this Degree deodorant that I have in my stockpile. Try to use some of this stuff up. I have a Nivea cream that I'm going to put right here. I'm going to have to build that up a little bit because that Nivea body wash sunk it down right there. And then I'm going to use another one of these cologne sets. I'm going to put this up so that it'll go in there. So that's going to be that. And let me get something to build it up just a little bit. Okay. Okay. So y'all, let's work on this one right here. I'll use this to put my backer on this one. So y'all may not be able to put a body wash in this one because the shoes are so thick. It's not wanting to cooperate. So let's see what we can do with this. Okay, y'all, I think this may work for me. I think I'm going to use the Bath and Body Works, this one that I just got yesterday, the After Dark, because it will fit in here. Look at that. That's going to work. And then I'll get a, maybe a Dove men's cream to go right there in front of that deodorant. And I think that's gonna work. Okay, I don't have another of the men's Dove cream in my stockpile, so I will get one to finish this up. But this is what this concept is gonna look like. So I have one right here with the Bath and Body Works. I have this one right here that has the Nivea men's body wash. I've used the this is some shaving cream that I have in my stockpile that I got from one of my wholesalers. I paid 50 cents for these from a wholesaler local. And then I have another one of the sample men's colognes, as well as the Nivea cream. These slippers came from Temu. They were a little pricey, you guys, but to me they were worth what I paid for them. I think most of them were anywhere between $7 to $8 a pair. Now, I told you I'm having to use my cups to hold this stuff up. So that's how much I paid for these slippers. They were like $7 to $8 a pair from Temu. But like I said, I think they were worth it because they look really, really nice. And it gives me something different to be able to add to my men's concepts. So I'm pleased with that. Here's some Degree. I don't remember how much I paid for Degree. Probably $1 or less from either Walgreens or CVS on a couponing deal. And then I have the last one down here, which these are Temu slippers as well with the Dove cream and stuff. So these are the 4 concepts that I came up with for the pajamas. I'm going to get these wrapped up. Like I said, I have my little tags that tells you what size they are and everything. And then I also am going to include on the front, that's why I kept these. I'm going to put this on the front so that it'll be hanging from a hang tag to show them what it is as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.